Okay. What's up, guys? Guys, it's 3 a.m. right now. It's 3 a.m. It's literally 3 a.m. right now. It's literally 3 o'clock in the morning. Guys, it's literally 3 a.m. right now. It's 3 a.m. right now, and I'm getting really scared. Oh my God. React to the Mandela catalog. No, it's not. Bro. Yes, it is, bro. It's literally 3 o'clock a.m. No, it's not. It's 11:12. Yo, does this guy not know how time zones work? Like, you ever heard of a time zone, dude? It's literally 3 o'clock a.m. in the morning, bro. It's 9 hours ahead of Stakey Boy's time. No, bro. No, it's not. No, it's literally not. Watch horror. Gang doesn't know about time zones, bro. Thank you, Lane. You're literally so right. React to the Mandela catalog. All right, guys, listen. Steak lives in Greenland? Yeah, exactly, bro, because guess what? What time is it in Greenland? It's 4 a.m. Yeah, I live here in Greenland. It's very green. Lots of plants and stuff. And yeah, I live in this place of I live in Greenland. So literally shut up, everybody, because it's literally 3 a.m. Shut up. Shut up. It's 3 a.m. It's literally 3 a.m. If one more person tells me that it's not 3 a.m., I'll find you. Also, chat, do I open or close the blinds? All right, do I open or do I close the blinds? Behind me. Do I open or close them? What are we thinking? Do we, chat, I forgot. Do you guys like it when I close them or keep it open? What do we think? Watch Life of Luxury? Buddy, we're not falling for that. Bro, shut. You're so annoying. Close, open. Wait, should I do a poll? Yeah, let's run a poll. Let's run a poll. Open or close the blinds. Open, close. Steak, react to the boiled one. I already seen that, little bro. Open. Oh, you guys want me to... Oh, what the fuck? Yo, why is it like switching up? Like... Oh, okay, we good. Okay. All right, we'll keep them open. Hey, we'll keep them open, chat. We'll keep them right open. We'll keep them open. Now, which analog horror should we react to? Because there's quite a lot of it out there. You know, you use the Wii Sports theme, but it's pretty... You've never actually used it, bro. Yo, that's a crazy thing to say, man. Considering I definitely have played Wii Sports Resorts. All right, I used to be a god at Wii fencing. So don't try to tell me that I don't know what that... Why is my camera moving by itself? Okay, guys, it's 3 a.m. in his time zone. Thank you, Synthony. You are correct. It is indeed 3 a.m. Watch Dr. Nowhere. Dr. Nowhere. Who is Dr. Nowhere? Oh! Wait, this guy made that thing? Is this supposed to scare me, chat? Is this supposed to scare me? Is that supposed to scare me? Is that supposed to scare me? Steak, react to the Mandela catalog. It's literally 3 a.m. in his time zone, you idiots. Bro, King Bob, my boy. It's 3 a.m. o'clock in the morning. Everybody shut the fuck up. It's time to react to analog horror. All right. Now, everybody, watch Mandela catalog. I feel like everybody's telling me to watch that. I think I should just watch it. The Mandela catalog. What is it? Bro, what is the Mandela catalog? Wait, why does that look creepy, bro? It's 4 years old? Do you want me to watch this? The Mandela catalog? Yo, thank you for the $20. Wubsy Siren Head. Okay, hold on. The Godzilla incident. Oh, name some ones that we could watch, please. I have an announcement. What do you have? What is your announcement? Please don't eat me. Life of Luxury? Bro, Life of Luxury is not analog horror, bro. Life of Luxury is not. You're live? Of course I'm live. King Bob, we have to watch the Minions. Bro, Cam 2R. What are you talking about, man? What are you saying right now, bro? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? The man in the suit? Okay, does anybody in the chat, are there any mods that, like, know? Oh my god, $50. Look up Wubsy Siren Head. Okay, bro. Okay, dude, I'm not gonna watch Wubsy react to Siren Head. He's just gonna scream the whole time. Oh, wait. EAS alarms from around the world? Wait. Wait. EAS alarms from around the world. Dude, should we watch that, chat? I feel like that might low-key be creepy. Wait, should we watch that? We're friends, right? At stakes. We're friends, right? Yeah, we're friends, man. Wait. Should I watch EAS alarms? Dude, everybody's saying yes. From around the world. Watch Bizarre Bub V113. That's not analog horror. Okay, I guess this doesn't count as analog horror, but everybody wants me to watch it, so I'm gonna just do it anyway. All right, whatever. We'll watch it, bro. Let's watch it. Steak, can you look how long I've been subbed? I want to see. Why don't you just look at my channel? Joined 5 years ago. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I changed the title of my stream, by the way, because we're not really watching analog horror. Okay. So let's just watch this. Every country's EAS alarm. Okay. These are actual real alarms. All right. Hi, YouTube in the chat. Hi, YouTube in the chat. Hi, YouTube in the chat. Mods, we already got the video we're watching. It's this one. All right. So I didn't know this, bro. But sorry, anyway. They're fire alarms. Wait, what is an EAS alarm even? What is an EAS alarm? Emergency alert system. Oh, thank you for it. Can you make a diss on invisible narratives? Who is? Oh, the skibbity people that everybody hates. Bro, I'm low-key down. I'm low-key down. All right. Lock in, chat. We got to lock in. Okay. Today, we're going to be reacting to emergency alert. Wait, should I just say EAS? Yeah, I'll just say that. Wait, this one's 2 years old. Wait, rating ESAR. Oh, should I rate them? Okay, anyway, sorry. Today, we're going to be reacting to EAS alarms from around the world. I actually didn't know this, but countries have different alarms. If you don't know what an EAS alarm is, it's like an emergency alarm. So when something bad is happening, this alarm plays. Okay. Ooh, okay. So I'm curious. Let's see which alarm is like the scariest sounding one. Presents a list of EAS alarms around the world. Okay. Warning, loud noises. Please keep your volume down. Don't worry, chat. I'll help you. Do you know what this makes me think of, bro? When I was a kid, I was genuinely scarred by this movie called The Purge. Do you guys know what that is? They would play this siren, and then everybody would start killing each other. It was a horror movie, and every time I hear this, it literally makes me think of that, and it kind of like is creepy, bro. 5 out of 10? Okay, to be honest, like, I think this one's pretty good. I'm gonna give this one like a 8 out of 10, bro. Like, okay, I might change my ratings as we watch the video because some might be better than others, but for the first one, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. It's really unsettling listening to these, by the way, in the middle of the night. Ah! Oh, that one's creepy. Bro, the Canadians, what are you guys doing over there? That one's scary. Oh my God, bro. That scared me to death. This one, I'm going to give it a lower score. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Damn. Okay, what the fuck? Japan? It's like a Duolingo alarm. Like what? It's like a happy sound. It's like ding 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 ding. You are all about to die due to an earthquake. Ding ding. Why is it so happy? Nope, I take it back. It is not happy, bro. That is a sound that you play when there's like a 7,000-foot tsunami about to destroy your entire city. That sounds like Siren Head. That sounds like Siren Head. I was like, it sounds familiar. That's literally like Siren Head. Bro, the Jalert goes crazy. Alright, this is my least favorite one so far. The Japan one, I'm gonna give the Japan one an 8 out of 10. Because it's kind of funny. Okay, what is this country right here? Dude, why is the Israel one like 5 minutes long? Oh my God, we do not need to hear all that. This one's a 2 out of 10, by the way. I hate that so much. Oh my God, that's like terrifying, bro. That is horrifyingly creepy. That's scary, dude. That's weird. I hate this one. Germany's is way messed up. What is Germany? Oh, Germany's not till way later. Zambia is the scariest. All right, here's what I'm going to do. At the end of this, we're going to figure out which one is the scariest. I'm going to stop giving them number ratings because that's stupid. I can't give them number ratings. I'm going to just see which one's the scariest. So far, low-key, Israel is the scariest one. Like, not even joking. All right, Saudi Arabia is next. That one's kind of creepy too, bro. Nothing matches Israel so far, though. That one was scary. Okay. You know what this reminds me of, Chad? Bro, the New Zealand alarm, you know what that reminds me of? DJ Toenail, bro. DJ Toenail.
Fuck this shit. You're about to watch a master at work.
No, chat, it reminds me of Speed making a song, bro. It reminds me of this one, bro.
I put a lot of work into this beat, you know what I'm saying? Pattern 1, you know what I'm saying? The beat is 1 minute long. Just let me know, you know, be honest and tell me if the beat is good or bad. Y'all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
That's the one that this one reminds me of, bro. I don't know, chat. What do we think of this one? Oh, the United Kingdom is next, bro. The stream is called Analog Horror. Bro, this is Analog Horror. Bro, this is like whenever you get an Amber Alert on your phone. I feel like this isn't like a new one, right? I've heard this before, chat, low-key. I've definitely heard this before. Bro, Singapore just literally just said, yo, Star Wars. Like, what? It sounds like a ray gun from Zombies. This one is like a pretty, this is like an average one. That's Siren Head? Okay, what's the next country? Next country is Mexico. Bro, what are you guys doing, bro? Like, that is not gonna make anybody, like, panic, bro. Like,
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Bro, it sounds like a UFO picking somebody up.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Oh. I don't like that frequency. This one, like, oh, dude, I don't like this one. It's making me, whoa. Okay, next. Oh! Bro, that's the sound they play every time Holland comes out of his house. And that's the sound they play when Zlatan Ibrahimovic comes out of his house. Okay. Wait, you could low-key make a song out of that. Yo, you could make a song out of that. It's like a Minions. Bro, what? It's Morse code? What does it mean in Morse code? That's counting down in Chinese. I can count to 10 in Chinese. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I just counted to 10 in Chinese. Chat, what's been the scariest one so far? I don't think anything is going to top the Israeli one. That one is scary, dude. That one's super scary. It means tsunami. Whoa. What alarm plays when you jump? Real funny, bro. Real funny. That one's creepy. That one kind of just sounds like an ambulance. The Russian one's not very good. They said Zambia is the scariest one. Is that in this? Zambia isn't on this. We'll look at, wait, let me look at Zambia. Zambia EAS alarm. Let me hear it. Zambian EAS alarm. Okay, what? That's not right. Bro, that's the one? That just sounds like a horrible, terrible, like what? That one's kind of like really creepy and unsettling. I can't even lie, bro. It's just loud.
Evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad. Atención, tsunami, evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad.
That one's creepy, chat. Low key, I don't know. I just like the scariest one so far was Israel for me. I wonder if any of these other ones will be scary. We have Argentina, Iran, Portugal, Ukraine, Lithuania, Netherlands, and then Bulgaria. Bro, that sounds like an alien communicating with people. Next one. Next one. That one's scary, dude. Damn, Argentina is scary. That one's scary. Bro, why are there like drums playing in the background? Do you hear that? It's like boom, 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 boom. That one's creepy. Wait, chat, does every single country just have like speakers in every single city? Like just random speakers that will play these noises if something bad is about to happen? Like I wonder, like I look outside, I like, bro, like, are there just like speakers on like these buildings? And that they would just play this song if something bad happened? This one's creepy, bro. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Thank you for the 5 gifted, Henry. Poland 1939 is the scariest. Poland in 1939. That was during World War II. Poland 1939 EAS alarm. Let me hear this. Polish EAS alarm 1939. Nah, that is the scariest one I ever heard. Holy crap. Bro, chat, you have to think about, like, in 1939, like, imagine hearing that sound, and that's the last sound you hear before, like, a German Nazi breaks down your door, bro. Oh my gosh. That is terrifying, bro. That is actually horrifying. That's creepy. All right, next. Ukraine. Ukraine. Next. Lithuania. Chat, who's from Lithuania, bro? Who's from Lithuania? Who's from Lithuania? All right, next up is the Netherlands. Bro, this one sounds like one of those. It sounds like a kazoo. Dude, these are creepy. All right, so chat, what do you guys think is the scariest one? Do you think that I think so far, I think the Israel one and the Polish one. Let me see which one's creepier though. This is the Israel one. And then this is the Polish one. Nah, the Polish one is so creepy, dude. Polish one is the scariest EAS alarm I ever heard in my life. That is terrifying. If I heard that, I would be so scared. I would leave, bro. I would leave immediately. But those are all the EAS alarms. Let me know if there's any other countries that I should check out. Yeah. I don't know. I thought this video was longer. It was only 13 minutes, though. Watch part 2 here. Canada is used mostly with missing children. It's very eerie to hear at 1 a.m. Wait, what's a Canadian one? Oh, that's creepy. Hearing that at 1 a.m. would scare me, bro. Watch the boiled one. Bro, I've seen that already. I watched that before. The boiled one? Bro, chat, I watched that by Dr. Nowhere. I watched that already. I watched that. The boiled one phenomenon. Yeah, I watched it and it was just it was really creepy. India 1993 EAS is creepy. India 1993 EAS alarm. What? Wait, what's the Germany 1945 EAS alarm? Bro, what were they thinking when they made these? That is horrifying. That is so scary. It's like an ice cream truck. Oh my God. What is Folk Valley? Everyone is like spamming that. Folk Valley. Folk Valley? That looks so scary. What is Folk Valley? Wait, what's the original one? There's so many things called Folk Valley. I don't know which one's the original one. There's like 1,000 of them. Which one's real? There's a lot of stuff about Folk Valley. Watch the Mandela catalog. Okay. You guys got to tell me which is the right one. Bangladesh has EAS alarm. I watched that already. Check out the Honduras one. Okay, bro. FNAF analog horror. FNAF analog horror. Bro, I'm kind of like upset. Chat, sorry. I didn't realize the stream was going to be so short, bro. Like, I thought that video was longer. Croatian EAS alarm. Eagle. Do Denmark EAS 1939. Steak react to horror short films for a different stream. Guys, you got to give me like something. We need to think of what the best like EAS or not EAS. The best stream or like the scariest analog horror to react to on our next one. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Chat, is this FNAF 4? Is this FNAF 4? What FNAF is this? This is like the scariest one, bro. That's... Oh my god. Nah, I'm not watching this, bro. That's too scary. Nah, I clicked off. I clicked off, bro. I clicked off. I actually just clicked off, bro. Pumpkin Rabbit. I'm burning the house down if I see that. Bro, watch the Walton Files, please. 1989 Grease alarm is crazy. The All missed Dono. What was Miss Dono? I didn't miss a Dono, I don't think. Watch a scary comp. Bro, chat, I'm not gonna... You guys, please give me more analog horror stuff to watch, bro. I didn't realize that EAS video was so short. So I think I'm gonna end the stream a little bit early. But yeah, bro. I want to watch a really scary analog horror video next, but you guys got to tell me what it is because somebody just told me to react to EAS alarms and that kind of took over the stream. But anyway, I'll be live again tomorrow. I'm going to do a really long stream tomorrow, like 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours. So I'm sorry, chat. Don't hate me, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. I've been kind of sick today, so I haven't been doing long streams. Sorry, chat.